Okay, so I have here 4 types of cases. Okay, ito is may magnetic something na talaga siya. Tapos ito medyo cartoony or may texture yung case niya. And this one is just plain plastic, ganun. Then this one is the clear casing something. So almost the same to Tondoro, I guess. Tapos ito is clear, pero may sarili siyang magnetic ring. So ito-try natin kung didikit sa kanila yung nabili natin na MagSafe power bank here. So the power bank has this one, and it's actually MagSafe one. Diba? Dumidikit siya as in. Okay. Yeah. So let's try kung gagana siya sa different types ng cases natin. So here it's the slim clear one. Okay, so hindi, diba? Okay. So hindi siya dumidikit dito. Okay. Pero sa phone natin kasi dumidikit siya. See? That's sticking sa phone. So pag ginamit ko tong case, well, it's stick kahit suot yung case ko na slim fit something ang tawag dito sa case natin. See? It's sticking. So hindi natakpan nung case yung mismo MagSafe feature ng phone and here. So hindi siya kumanaw. Kaya dumidikit siya kahit naka-case yung phone ko. So this one, since may magnetic ring naman tong sarili niya, I guess kakabit siya automatically here on this one. Kasi nga it's working. Kasi nga this one has a MagSafe of its own. So and it's charging. Okay, so try natin dun sa other two. My phone. Okay. So this one, I think wala din kasi itong so wala siyang MagSafe picture. Tingnan natin kung kaya niyang i-detect yung ng phone. Okay, so ito hindi masyado. Okay. Try ko siyang maghawakan yung phone. Tinatry ko maghawakan yung phone para maano siya. Okay, hindi nga. So, in here, masyado siyang makapal, I think. Kaya hindi niya nakukuha yung na ano nitong keys na block off niya yung magnet between the phone and the charger, the power bank. Then let's try this other one. I think hindi rin siya. So wala tong MagSafe picture. Okay. So it stick naman. It was sticking but not as there it did. Okay, so mas nag-work siya here. Nag-stick siya here. Nice one. Okay. So it stick sa case na to. It literally did stick sa case na to. Okay. Pero not as effective nung dito. So ito parang wala lang yung case ko. See? It's not. Okay. So it did work. The MagSafe picture did work on this and this one. And this one. So, on this too, kahit na walang MagSafe magnets walang magnets yung case natin. And, syempre, dito gumana. Since this has one magnet on it. Pero dito hindi. I think this one is stick. Kaya hindi. Okay. So, parang may ano siya. Kaya hindi niya na detect na yung magnet. But then, overall, nag-stick siya sa tatlo. So, I'm happy. Key. Then, this one. The cord is, I think, working naman on my phone. Ah, nice. Love it. So, that's all. Bye-bye.